Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact ImageRunner model and your computer OS so you download the correct driver. Once done, decide USB for a direct link or Ethernet for network access, then plug in Cat5e/Cat6 and power the machine. Make sure to open the printer's control panel to view the current IP address. If none exists, set DHCP temporarily so the printer grabs an address. This gets you to the point where the computer and device can communicate. Now install the Canon driver package on your computer and pick the connection mode you previously prepared. For network installs, give the printer a static IP or reserve its DHCP address in the router so it stays predictable. Make sure subnet and gateway match your LAN. After installation, use ping to verify the printer IP. Check port 9100 or LPR availability and print a configuration page from the device to confirm settings. Finish by adding the ImageRunner in your operating system using its IP address and selecting the Canon driver you installed. Optionally set it as the default. Once added, print a test page and exercise scanning or send to PC features to verify two-way communication. If something goes wrong, check the computer firewall and ensure port 9100 is open. Restart both the printer and PC and rerun the installer if needed. That one troubleshooting tip: verify firewall and port resolves most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.